Struggling to connect Salesforce to an external API without exposing passwords? Learn to create a named credential in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact 9 clicks to set up a named credential. Follow along in your own org. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, click on Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup menu. In the search bar at the top, type Named to filter the options. Now select Named Credentials from the results to open that configuration page. Click the New button to create a new credential. First, type a descriptive label for your credential. Then, type a unique name. This will autofill from the label, but you can change it. Now enter the endpoint URL that this credential will connect to. Finally, click Save to store your new named credential. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.